Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're back with the Kawasaki. No, not that one. With that one. We're back with the 1974 MT1-B, my grandson's mini bike, and I may have broke it. Okay, for those of you not familiar with this little mini bike, 1974-75 MT1-B Kawasaki, that is my grandson's, and I may have broken my grandson's mini bike. So what had happened is my friend came over on his race lawnmower that he had built. So funny, he built it. Neighbor across the street was throwing away, and this is the same guy that gave me the GPZ. So the neighbor across the street was throwing away a riding lawnmower, so he said, hey, I'll take it, and to see if he could turn it into a race lawnmower. And so he rode over here, so I followed him back, and I was at his house, stopped, and I was riding from the road to the barn, and I've got footage, so you'll be able to see it. And I wasn't going crazy. Had stopped, and I was taking off going to the barn, and I was going from first to second, and then it said, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna stop. So I think something in my transmission broke because it happened right when I shifted from 1 to 2. So I'll show you what it does, but I've got to fix this or I'm gonna be in big trouble. I don't think we'll get it fixed in this episode. Hopefully we will. But I think I may need some parts. But at least we'll discover what's wrong with it. So this is what it doesn't do. So it doesn't do this, right? It'll kick over. The engine moves, which is good, but the transmission feels like it's locked up. So we're gonna start taking it apart, see what we can come up with. So let's get this master link off, guys. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do this. It just makes life so much easier. So you just go right there on the pin and on that, and you just push it up. And then you can just get the screwdriver in for the last little bit to get it off. That way you don't have to worry about shooting it across the garage. So this is my problem. See, it won't shift at all. It won't move at all. So there's something in there that's kind of jammed up, something broke, something. And let me just put that cap back on. Drain all the juice out of it. We'll pull the side cover off to see if we can see anything here. dowel pen or something over here. There we go. Probably a right way and my way to do this. So hopefully we can see what our problem is in here. Hopefully, let's kickstart return spring. Get this guy out of the way. Well, looks like this guy looks. Well, there are some. It does feel like there could be some chunky bits in there. I'm not sure what they are. But there are some bits of something. Oh, I think I found some. I don't think this, oh, won't be as simple as this spring coming off. That is what's missing. Oh, could that be it? And my shift cog just got stuck. Does everything still move? Oh, it still moves. Did I just lose a return spring? And it got lost in the mix? Oh, how lucky could that be? Oh yeah, look. Let me get this guy out of the way. I could have unplugged some stuff, but that would be the prudent thing to do. Looks like we have a spot right here for a spring, right here, and it looks like there may be another spot. Let me see if I can get this guy up here. I'll figure out where it goes. I thought I saw it. See, there's one here. I apologize, guys. I'm trying to show you. So I got to figure out where this return spring goes. We know it looks like.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Be quiet. So we know it looks like this on one side. We got to find the other bit of it, which this would be why it wouldn't shift, because it wasn't returning back. Let's do some research real quick. Okay, so you can see we need this spring and this spring. We know, I believe this is the one that's broken. We need to check to make sure that this one is still in there. And if we look, like I said, this is the one that's broken, that's missing, and this is the other one that's right there. So I need to order this spring. So guys, looks like we may have dodged a bullet. Looks like we may have only broken a spring and not something inside the engine. At least that's what we're finding so far. This is the first smoking gun, and for $5, I think if I order both of them, I think it's like maybe $7 plus shipping. So I'm gonna go ahead and order these up, and then we'll put this, once we get them in, we'll put this thing back together in a later episode. So guys, you gotta love it. When you break something, and hopefully you don't break it as bad as what you thought you did. So, as always, guys, thanks for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, just wander on over to our friends, Brick House Builds, Gold Guy, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Miles Zero Racers, Plan B Motos, Pete's Classic Cycle, and Lady Moto Bang, and give those guys a subscribe too. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.